Yo, what's good, YouTube? Y'all make sure y'all come check out AG Born Jamaican, where we travel life together. Whether you like gardening, traveling, or just going on an experience, this is the channel for you.
Hey guys, today I'm gonna prepare some fried pork chops. See? Got about 3 packages of pork chops. And these are the pork chops with the bone. I got my vinegar. I'm gonna wash them down in. Alright, before I season this up, I'm gonna start and put some oil in my little deep fryer here and let the oil warm up. With this cook, I'm only gonna use 3 different ingredients. I'm going to use the jerk sauce, the Larry seasoning, and garlic powder. That's all I'm going to use. I'm not going to bread it or nothing. So It's gonna be a deep fried pork chops. And add some jerk sauce. This is dry jerk seasoning, I'm sorry. Put it on both sides of all of them. Now I'm gonna do the Larry seasoning. That one is finished. I always have backup. Before I put the garlic powder on there, I am going to put the oil in the pot so it could get hot. Remember, we're gonna deep fry them. While the oil is getting hot, it's back so you can see. I'm gonna put some garlic powder. You notice I'm doing them individually, so you can taste one of them and say, oh, well, this didn't get that seasoning and that one didn't get that seasoning. They all get equal amount of seasoning. We're gonna deep fry these golden brown. gonna dry this off. That is for when it's done. And put the paper towel in there to get out any excess oil. It's done. But before I do that, I got a treat. I have some of these brown and served sausage. I think I'm gonna fry some of these up. I opened the bag and I'm not going to fry all of them. What I'm going to do is put in the Ziploc because I opened the bag and there's no reseal for these bags. Alright, this is the end result. Fried pork chops. Thanks for checking this video out. I'll see you next time.
Yo. Thank you for watching AG Born Jamaican. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And remember, life is to be discovered and experienced, and we're here to do it.
And thanks for watching AG Born Jamaican. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
What's good, YouTube? Go subscribe to my boy AG Born Jamaican right now.
What's up, YouTube, Facebook? Y'all know me, it's the Smoking Bear. Like and subscribe to my man, AG Born Jamaican, the man with the sauce, cause he the boss. The Juki Jam sauce, baby. Get you some, if you ain't got you none. So come on, like and subscribe. Do it. I'm the Smoking Bear, and it is endorsed by me and my smoker. Yeah, damn, do it.